41 years of diverse leadership experience in own family business, JD Gangaram and Co., a food processing unit, Hotel Ashirwad, presently known as Sandesh, the Prince in Mysore, and the proprietorship business exporting granite, rough blocks, and managing partner in his firm Touch Sky Management Services LLP since its inception in 2005. Let us hear from Mr. Gangaram Prem Kumar, his own journey.
Thank you very much. Let the flag fly high. I love the way the flag hoisting took place. All of you are here. This is very, very inspiring. It's very powerful. This shows aspiration. This is what it is all about, entrepreneurship. The entrepreneur, the unsung hero of this country. Who creates jobs? Who pays taxes? Every government is scared only about one thing, job creation. And that an entrepreneur creates jobs. All my life, every breath that I take is about helping the entrepreneur. Why? Because I have been one in a family business. Entrepreneurship is the heartbeat of every single nation on this planet. And when you do that, and you get connected to entrepreneurship, Dr. Ashok Kumar, congratulations. FWC, congratulations for doing something this sacred. I'm using the word sacred. Because when the food is not put on the table, crime will happen in the society. It's very important that entrepreneurship is nurtured by every single government. I remember 35 years back when there was Inspector Raj. I had 5 inspectors sitting outside in my manufacturing unit, and I had no money to pay bribes to them. I'm coming from that area where I have succeeded businesses, I have failed businesses miserably, and for years nothing has been happening. So for me, coaching, counseling, and training business entrepreneur is something I live for. It is something which keeps me awake in the night. We go very deep into every single aspect of the business, and we take up only people very selectively, because we go very deep. Our model is that of depth model. So we're very keen to serve this community, and I will do whatever it takes to see that entrepreneurship through festival community at a personal level and through company. My partner Prashant Sharma is here with me. He's a young guy, half my age, younger than my son. Okay, so here it's when we are talking about entrepreneurship, we are talking about something very central. I was born in a business family. You have seen pawn broker shop outside, right? Inside they have old homes. Any guesses from the audience? Why do they do that? There's a pawn broker shop. Already pawn broker shop you have seen?
Yeah.
Outside you have got a shop. Inside they have got homes. Why? Security? Ease of transport maybe? Usually I've asked quite a few of them, they cannot afford. Okay? They cannot afford a separate house. And you know where I was born? I was born inside a manufacturing unit. I was born where blue uniforms, clink-clank of the machine. At the age of 11, I knew that the market is slow and there is no money to be paid, and there's something you have to pay money to get money. What is to get money? That's called interest. And if the manufacturing unit, if there is a particular section, there are some people are not coming, then it's going to get closed down. So there's going to be a loss. Okay, raw material, sugar is not there. We are manufacturing sweets. If sugar is not there, it is going to be a loss. If people are not there, it's going to be a loss. And material is not going to be there, it's going to be a loss. So I'm talking about real hardcore. At the age of 11, when I did not get 2 rupees 20 paisa, I could not tally. My dad asked me to wait, to be tallying it till 11:30 in the night. So I didn't study or didn't understand my MBA accounts. I understood at the age of 11. If you don't get 2 rupees 20 paisa, you're not going to get dinner. In fact, it was excess. I was happy. I thought I made profit of 2 rupees 20 paisa. He said, no, you have left out some expense. So I kept on searching. And it is 800 rupees. We had a bakery going on single. So this is about, here, entrepreneurship is so nice, so rosy to talk about entrepreneurship. Everyone wants to become an entrepreneur. Okay? But please, it's very important that you go very, very, very deep. As our speaker rightly emphasized, that going very deep is very important. So I'll not take too much of your time. And I would like to say a few things that when you talk about community, what do you think? I would like to ask the audience, what is very, very important in a community? I really want to answer because I have the last privilege to speak here. So I'm going to ask you questions so that you wake up. Togetherness, awesome. So can you just go a little deep? You're so brilliant, you almost touched it. There's a word. I want a single word.
Association.
No. You are all describing everything except saying that word.
Unite.
Relationship. So it's all about relationship. So community, here I love the usage of the word community. First world community, right? We want to be the very first and it has to be worldwide and it has to be community. Community is a beautiful word. How do we network? Harvard is waking up to networking. They are going to have MBA courses are going to get redesigned. They are going to use psychology, which is one of the most important subjects that we use in our work. Okay? Your happiness, your sadness, your anger, your fear, and your shame and your guilt is going to impact your emotions. These emotions are going to impact your decisions. If you are afraid of taking a decision, if you become sad and you walk less, or if you have got fear, it's going to impact your decisions. And when your decisions are impacted, your actions get impacted. So we go very deep, we coach entrepreneurs by asking them questions, asking them the right set of questions. That is called non-Googleable Gyan. Google doesn't jump out of the box, out of the computer and ask you questions. We ask you questions, that's called coaching. That's one thing we do. The second we do is training. Training means I give you Googleable Gyan, right? Whatever is available in the Google. Third is counseling. In counseling, neither I ask you questions, now I give you Gyan. When you are down and out and you call me up at 1 o'clock in the night that I don't have money to pay, I'll only listen. Okay. I just listen. Because you're in emotion. After some time you will solve the problem yourself. Okay. So when the emotions are in a very high, I have understood that a man doesn't act very this one. So this is what happened in Bhagavad Gita. His emotion became very high. Fear came up that I'm going to kill my own people. Right? So this is very important that we understand this. So with this, I thank very much, and I would like to end this with a quote. And let me see if my mobile is opening. Okay, yeah. Greatness is more than the potential that you have. Greatness is more than the potential that you have. It is the execution of the potential. Here we are talking about execution. While we have started the chapter, we have to execute the chapter day in, day out. The real game is in the execution. Let's understand that. And we are there. We will do our best to be with the chapter. And this is a personal commitment here on the stage and off the stage too. Beyond the raw talent, it's not just about the talent that you have. You need the appropriate training. Training is required. Can anyone tell me that which is the most difficult profession in the world? Which is the most... experts have agreed.
Teaching.
Teaching? No.
Training.
No.
Human resources.
Which is the most difficult profession in the world? Profession in the world. Doctor? Surgeon?
Entrepreneur.
Okay, experts opine that the person who fights the fighter jet craft, okay, it is the most difficult profession in the world because there are no mistakes allowed at all. If you make a mistake of microseconds, you will bring down a plane of 1500 crore, a Rafale jet of the country down in seconds, and there is no excuse, you will get killed. You cannot, there is no error to mistakes at all, you are not allowed to make any mistakes. So that is the most difficult profession in the world. And you know whose child it is? It is a child of training. Because of training, you can fly a fighter craft. So training is very important. And you need the discipline, you need the inspiration, and you need the drive. This is why Eric A. Burns. So wish you all the best and let's rock it. Thank you very much.